This is Chris Bohr. This is my week 4 summary. It was a short week as no content did get posted until Friday. I was only able to briefly look at it before I left for work. It was pretty much leave Saturday, my only day to do my assignments. Tomorrow I work as well. I'll use whatever leftover time to submit the only thing that we need to submit, which is the weekly video, but I got fairly far through my kinematic assignment, about halfway, page 18. Let's see what else. So I mean, since there wasn't a whole lot of new content this week, I mean, the kinematic assignment was on the course, so I mean, went over the 3 laws and learned how to apply it to actual problems, expound upon previous problems like the guy pole vaulter or going into the cushion and sinking into it, and the child going up the rope. I did a little bit of work on controversial subjects and discussion board, but it's mainly just that assignment, kinematics. Gonna use Newton's laws, in specific the second law, to solve some problems and acquire some of the common or the kinematics properties such as time, location, position, or distance, and velocity. Do that by, since we know the formula force equals mass times acceleration, we can use that to find the acceleration if we're given the weight or force, and or to find the other attributes, and it really helped me understand the third law more. I think that was pretty much it for as to what I learned. Yeah. Another thing is the acceleration. We know an object has force if it accelerates, because if you look at Newton's first law, it's constantly at rest. I mean, or constantly moving, obviously has no outside force. So I mean, that was another main concept that we could use to really help us with problems, especially the first half of the assignment. It's that rest, constant velocity, obviously there's no force involved. So from there I'll show you my screenshots of my work and whatever notes I took, and I'll come back with chapters on questions that I have regarding the content and what I plan on doing next week. Cool? As for my questions, I don't really have any. There was a couple problems in the assignment that dynamics, that's what I meant, by the way. In the previous segment I said spiral kinematics, I meant spiral dynamics. But anyway, there was a couple of problems that were kind of tricky, but I probably just need to look over them more carefully. But otherwise I don't really have any questions regarding the content of this week. Kind of curious to how I'm individually doing, because I haven't received any feedback whatsoever, but I mean, it's cool. I know you've had some problems and whatnot, but personal issues and stuff like that, but I'm sure the upcoming interview will probably cover that too. As for what I'm doing next week, it's going to be pretty rough, because I'm kind of behind finished week 4 stuff, which includes spiral kinematics, spiral dynamics, which I guess is also at the bottom of the screen, is also part of this week 5 assignment, or next week's assignment, so it's good. I also have to get on doing that creative video, in addition with the rocket project with the group, which looks kind of intimidating, but I guess it's not that bad. Just have to get together with my group and discuss it some more. Other than that, pretty much it. Of course, as we can see, more discussion board stuff as we didn't have any in week 4, video analysis, and VPython, which I kind of looked ahead and it doesn't look too hard. And of course, getting into energy, and we do a self-empiric evaluation. Looks like. So look forward to that. It might be a bit rough, but I think it'll be okay. And I unfortunately have to get new video software because this one right here expires in 3 days. Free trial, and it worked well. But other than that, that's my video.